Understanding weld pool, a dive into industrial terminology. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating term that's crucial in the world of welding and fabrication. Weld pool. Whether you're a language learner aiming to expand your technical vocabulary or just curious about industrial processes, you've come to the right place. Let's unravel the layers of meaning behind this term and understand why it's so significant in metalworks. Before we delve into the specifics, let's break down the phrase, weld pool. It consists of two words, weld, which is the process of joining metals by melting the parts together, and pool, which typically refers to a small area of liquid. So, at its core, a weld pool is a liquid pool that's created when metal melts during welding. When a welder brings a heat source, like an electric arc, to the spot where two pieces of metal need to be joined, the intense heat causes the metal to melt. This melting creates a molten metal area. That's our weld pool. It's the foundation of creating a strong, durable bond between metal parts. Understanding how a weld pool forms and behaves is crucial for welders to control the welding process and ensure a high-quality join. A good weld pool has certain characteristics that ensure a strong weld. It should have a uniform appearance and consistent size throughout the welding process. The control of the weld pool is important. It determines the strength and quality of the weld. Welders must pay attention to the pool's temperature, viscosity, and surface tension, all of which influence the final outcome of the weld. Working with weld pools isn't always smooth sailing. Challenges such as improper heat input, contamination, or incorrect welding speed can affect the weld pool's stability. For learners of technical English, being familiar with terms like porosity, cracking, and distortion is important, as they relate to common issues that can arise from a poorly managed weld pool. We hope this exploration into the term weld pool has been enlightening. Remember, every piece of jargon or technical phrase like this is a stepping stone to greater understanding and communication in the English language, especially in specialized fields such as welding. Keep learning, and may your curiosity lead you to more linguistic discoveries. Happy welding and happy learning!